you're a content creator and you're paying for a bunch of AI tools every month just to finish one project, then this video might help you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can replace ChatGPT, Clean AI, Build 3, Midjourney, Canva with this single AI tool called HIX AI. This single AI tool will save you a lot of money and time.
And here is a viral video I created using this website.
Right now, take a deep breath and hold it. Within 30 seconds, a silent war erupts inside your body. Your brain starts screaming, your blood turns acidic, and your organs begin to shut down one by one. Here's what's really happening.
Without wasting much of your time, let's get started.
Use the link in the video description below to get access to this website. This is how the interface is going to look like. From here, we have three key things you can use this website for. We have the AI video, AI image, and also the AI chat. We are going to start with the AI chat. With the AI chat, you can use this to come up with video ideas, or you can use it to write a detailed YouTube video script. So I'm going to just click on the AI chat, and then these are different suggestions that you can go along with. But for this, I'm going to just enter in this prompt because we want to create a full YouTube video. I'll provide this prompt in the video description below for most of you that want to use this same prompt. Create top 10 faceless YouTube video script. Include AI video prompt in 3D 4K rendered for each scene in the video around human anatomy. So I want to create 10 videos on this particular niche. So in any niche you want to go into, you can include that here. Make sure you add a powerful hook at the beginning of each video. For the scene by scene video prompt, make sure it is detailed, and if possible, give 2 to 3 video prompts that will explain each scene perfectly. After that, you come down here, and this is where you can change the AI model that you want to use. You click here, these are available different models that you can go with. For the Google model here, we have Gemini 3.5 Flash, we have Gemini 3.1 Pro, we also have OpenAI model. So from OpenAI model, we have GPT 5.5. These are top models that you can use directly through this website. And then we have Cloudy AI. Cloudy AI is very good when it comes to script writings, and we also have DeepSeek AI. So you can see that this website combines all these AI models into one, meaning you don't have to have multiple subscription. So for this particular video, I'm going to just go with the Cloudy AI because I'm using this to write a proper video script that has been selected. And here you can upload images, you can upload files that you want this AI to study from. So I'm not going to upload any files for this. Click on send. So from here, top 10 faceless YouTube video script, human anatomy series. This is our video 1. So for this video 1, we have what happens inside your body when you hold your breath. So these are video topics that people will be interested to watch. Now when you come down here, you will see that this is the hook for the video. Then we have our scene 1, and you can see the video prompt has been given for this particular scene. So this is going to go on for the entire top 10 videos. And once we have this script ready, we are going to now use this same website to generate the visuals that we need for this video. So from here, we have the hook, and then we have the scene 1. Now under the scene 1, we have the video prompt. Now before we go ahead to generate the visuals, you must first of all use this hook to generate the voiceover that you want to use for your video. And to generate this voiceover, you can use any voiceover generator that you know about. For the AI video prompt 1, I'm going to just copy this entire prompt here. So after copying this prompt, so we'll go up here and click on new to start a new chat. So for this new chat, you can decide to use the AI image and then convert that image into AI video. So let's start with an AI image. So just click on AI image, and that will be activated. So from here, you can enter in the prompt which I just copied, and this is where you select the AI model that you want to use. There are several AI models that you can use to generate your images. So you see, it gives you access to choose any AI model that you can use with just a single subscription. So for this, I'll be going with the Google Nano Banana. So I'll just select the Nano Banana Pro from here, and then this is where you set the aspect ratio of your image. So for this image, I want to go with the 9:16 aspect ratio. I'm going to select that, and then the next thing I'll do here is to select the image output. So for the image output, I'll go with 2 images per output. Then after that, you come here and click on send, And now let's see the output of this image. And after some few minutes, these are the two images. So let's take a look at it. So this is the first image. You can see how it looks, and then this is the second image. See also how it looks. Now up here we have the upscale, uncrop, erase, we have remove background and AI backgrounds. If you want to just download this, you can go over here and then you can see this download option to download the image. So that's how you create your image using this website. But we don't want to use this image, so now I'm going to go ahead to generate the AI video using this website. So to do that, I'm going to just come here, click on this close button, and then come down here for the AI image here, click on this close, and then it will take you back here. So from this place, click on AI video so that we can generate a video using this. So from here, you can upload an image. You can also upload a video. So for this, I want to use text, so I'm going to paste in that same text which I used in generating that image. Now this is where you select models that you can pick from. So you can see that with one subscription, you will have access to several video models, which will save you that stress of going through different websites just to create AI videos. For the Google, we have Google View 3. For the OpenAI, we have Sora 2. Then for the One AI, you can see these are models. Kling AI, they are all available here. We also have Sedans AI, Happy Horse, Halo AI, Video AI, Peaceverse. These are top models that will give you good results. We also have the HIX AI model also here. So for this particular video, I just want to use the Kling AI. So I'll go over to Kling, and then from here I'll select the Kling version. I'll select Kling 3.0. all right, so I'm going to select that. Then from here, you select the aspect ratio of your video. I'll go with the 9:16 aspect ratio. This is where you select the video length, that is the duration of your video. I'll go with the 10 seconds. Then for the output number, I'll select 1. After that has been selected, then you come here and click on the send button, and your video is going to be generated. So now let's take a look at this video and see if the output is actually something that you can use. And within few seconds, we have our video ready. So let's take a look at this video. So you can see how nice and detailed this video looks. Now we are going to go back to our prompt, and then we'll copy our second prompt to generate the second videos. After you have gotten all your videos, you can then go to CapCut and join these videos together to have a full video. So at the end of this video, I'm going to show you the final result of the video I created. Then another cool thing about this website also is the AI slide and the AI document. Let me quickly show you how that works. Then when you come here, you're going to see the AI slide. If you click on that, you can see these are different templates you can edit. Create a 20-page strategic business review presentation. So you can see that this is where you select the model that you want to use. We have Nano Banana, and then we have ChatGPT. If you don't want to use any of these templates, you can just enter in your own description and you have your slide ready for you to use. Another cool thing here is the AI document. Using the AI document, you can create a perfectly arranged Word document that you can use. Let's just test this out. So these are different templates that you can go with. If you like any of these templates, you can go up here. You see this arrow, just click on that and it will bring out the prompt here. So from this prompt, you can edit it by inputting your own details, and then you come here, select the text type that you are looking for, either markdown or rich text. You can also upload files here. Then for the alignment option here, we have regular text, we have long text. So we just have to keep it on auto, and if this is okay with you, you come here and click on send, and this is going to give you a perfect result. So that is how good this website is. Then for the pricing, HIX AI offers a free plan which gives you 20 credit. This allows you to test the website and see if you will like it before you go ahead to subscribe to any of these other plans. Then the second plan that we have here is the HIX AI Max. This gives you $29.99 per month. It gives you 2,500 credit monthly. So from here we have the AI agent workspace, unlimited benefits. So these are the benefits of what you are going to get if you subscribe to the HIX AI Max. Then we also have the HIX AI Pro. This gives you 1,500 credit per month. These are all the benefits outlined here. Then also another cool thing is that you have a 50% off on a yearly subscription. This is way cheaper when compared to subscribing to ChatGPT, Kling AI, View 3 at the same time. So if you want to go ahead to do this, I'll leave the link to this website in the video description below so that you can subscribe. Thank you guys for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.